Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I want to address very quickly where I've been for the past couple days. I know that I've had a couple of messages or a few messages from people asking, you know, what happened, where are my videos? I apologize. I just want to talk a little bit about that. It's not, you know, anything earth-shattering or anything like that. Basically, I hit the wall is what happened. Last week at my day job, it was extremely busy, very, I was just having a stressful week. And I was keeping up with Vlogmas, and I had my live, which I did not cancel, and I had my special collaborative effort with other creators on Friday, and that went through without a hitch. I enjoyed that very much. But, you know, pretty much right after that, I was just exhausted. And not to mention that I have been having a sale going on in my shop, and I'm so grateful that there are so many people who are coming over and making purchases, and it's just been hard for me to keep up. That's all that's been happening. So I'm considering this video to be Vlogmas Day 17. Today is actually Sunday, December 19th. It's my little sister's birthday, so happy birthday, sweetie pie. I might be saying that on 3 videos, I don't know, because I love her to bits. And anyway, so it's her birthday today, and I'm playing a little bit of Catchup, and I thought, you know, I like at least one night during Vlogmas to be in front of the Christmas tree. I'm realizing now I'm also in front of the ball pit, but that's okay. The Christmas tree is over here. Smudgy is sitting right in front of me. He's cleaning himself. Jellybean is right over on a chair over here, also bathing. Maybe somebody will come into the picture. I don't know. We'll see. So what I'll be doing is, for this video, it's just going to be sort of me sitting here having a little talk with you guys about whatever. And then for the Saturday video, I'm going to cover the 17th and the 18th in the Advent calendar. And then I will make a 3rd video actually for Sunday. And those will all be in my sewing space. So, oh look, we even got little Scout over here. They probably won't ever come in the camera. I don't know why. But a little bit about our plans, since this week is going to be the week that's leading up to Christmas, which is my birthday. And I'm gonna be 49 years old. I had to actually sit down and do the math because I'm terrible at that anymore. Like I can't just do it in my head anymore. Someone asks me how old I am, and I'm like, somewhere around 50, but I don't remember. Smudgy, please don't knock over the camera. So anyway, I went to the grocery store today. And our plan is to have lasagna for dinner on Saturday, or lunch or something. I don't know, probably dinner. Because, do you hear them fighting? Now they're gonna fight right here while I'm having a video. Scout, Smudgy, don't do that. Come over here. Just ignore the rumble in the jungle over there, okay? And so anyway, I'm at the grocery store along with another, you know, 1,000 people. Apparently all of them wanting to make lasagna because, you know, that aisle was chockers. And yeah, that's the one thing about the Christmas season that kind of makes me crazy is all of the, I live in a spot where, Smudgy, don't knock over the camera. Yup, if you guys knock over the camera, I'm gonna be so mad. Scout, come over here. We have a Target, we have like Five Below, I think. We have like Home Goods, and it's all in this one area. Oh, and a Kohl's, and there's a Dunkin' Donuts there. Yeah, so it's a few like stores. Oh, there's a Best Buy. I mean, seriously, it's crowded, and the distance of this shopping center from the light, which everyone goes to, because if you turn in one direction, there are two different highways, and actually both directions. So there's like a north and southbound of Route 15 and a north and southbound of Route 8. It's just, so it's right there. And so basically it can take you, you know, like 5 changes of the light to even get to make the turn, right? Why are you guys fighting so much? My goodness. You see what I'm saying? So I haven't been to Target in like 3 weeks because I refuse to go over there. It's just crazy. It's bad enough that to go to the grocery store, I have to drive by it, and then I have to drive by it again to go back home. So that was my day, is fighting the traffic outside of the grocery store and the traffic inside the grocery store, quite frankly. But we are going to be having lasagna on Saturday, and my tradition, I don't need like for anything, right? If anybody ever asks me, Yvette, what do you want for your birthday? Or what do you want for Christmas? I mean, honestly, Starbucks gift cards are fine because I'm always drinking coffee. But as far as like gifts and stuff, I really don't need anything. I don't really want anything. We're just gonna go to the movies. That's what we do every year. I think there was one COVID year that we did not go. I think that was that first year. Was that 2019? Oh my goodness, like I can't, it's crazy in my mind. So to answer your question that I know is on your mind, I have no idea what we're gonna see yet. I definitely need to go and see what's playing because I don't know. I never get to watch, you know, anything. So I don't know, but I will go and I will choose something. Most important thing is to pick a nice movie, get some buttered popcorn, extra butter, and a Diet Coke because they don't have Diet Dr. Pepper, and that's okay. Unless they have Coke Zero, I'll get one of those. Somehow I really like the Zero products. I'm really enjoying them. So that's my plan for Christmas. And I'm just so excited to have a little bit of time off. I do have to work on Friday, but it's not gonna be a full day. I think we're gonna get out early, so that'll be good. And then I'm gonna go get my nails did because it's time. These are like growing out, so I need to go and get them done. And that's what my leading up to Christmas is gonna be. Hopefully I can get all caught up and have my Vlogmas videos coming out in a timely manner. And so everyone, it's okay, I'm okay, everything's fine. I just kind of, yeah, just kind of hit the wall a bit. Just kind of hit the wall. I started realizing that I needed a couple of naps. So I took a couple of naps. Probably shouldn't have taken a couple of naps, but you know, I did. And so there you go. And I have to admit that, especially on Saturday, I could have gotten myself up off the sofa and put some makeup on and made my Friday and Saturday videos, and I would have been caught up right then. But I was having like a really big case of the donuts. really big case, and there was nothing that was gonna get me off the sofa. I'm sorry. But it's true. In fact, I had a project that I was going to do for today's video, and that's just gonna have to get pushed off to either Tuesday or Thursday. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do it, so I'm not even gonna announce what it is, but it's just gonna be something fun. Yeah, so the weekend has been for catching up. I've been trying very hard to catch up on everything. So that's where I am. Here's our lovely tree. Jim did everything to get the house ready for Christmas, so I know he's not watching, but thank you, Jim. I appreciate it very much. And I'm literally sitting here with 3 of the 4 cats, but none of them will come over here and say, hey. Jellybean, JB, Jellybean. Okay, he is a typical cat. He's not even turning to look at me. Jellybean, hi, you want to come over here? Come say hello. Come on. He's looking at me like I'm an alien. Excuse me? You talking to me? And even Smudgy is like right there, but won't come over. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go and make my day 18 for Vlogmas for you guys right now. And I'm sure I will tell you many times before we get there, but I hope you and your family will have a very lovely Christmas. And just remember, even with the craziness and the traffic and everything, the thing that I try hardest to remember is to be kind and to just have that kindness in your heart. Have compassion for people. That one can be a hard one in the traffic, I know. But, you know, it does help to have a little peace in your heart if you can get it there. I know. Listen, it's hard for me sometimes. I am not good in traffic, especially. That's why I brought that one up specifically. But I hope you do have a great Christmas, and I hope that the week leading up is not so stressful for you and that you can really enjoy it. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which I will be making very soon. By the way, I'll probably have all the same clothes on because I don't plan on changing them. I'm in Yvette loungewear right now. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Christy's gonna be so mad if I forget to say that. Plus, I should have said it way at the beginning. You know, please subscribe. I would love to have you back. Mwah.